Steel mills are vital to manufacturing, but they're also high-risk environments. Let's explore the top steel mill accidents and how to prevent them. 1. Equipment failures. Heavy machinery is a major cause of accidents. Regular maintenance checks and inspections can help prevent failures. 2. Slips, trips, and falls. With cluttered floors and wet conditions, slips are common. Clear walkways, proper signage, and anti-slip footwear can greatly reduce the risk. 3. Burns and heat injuries. Steel production involves extreme temperatures. Personal protective equipment, PPE, and proper training on handling molten materials are essential to preventing burns. 4. Falling objects. Working at height and with heavy equipment can lead to falling objects. Secure tools and machinery and ensure proper safety barriers to protect workers below. By implementing rigorous safety protocols, proper training, and regular inspections, you can significantly reduce the risk of accidents and keep your workforce safe. Stay safe and make safety a top priority in your steel mill operations.